Hello and welcome to the special segment called MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. In this segment, we bring to you fundamentally strong stock ideas that you can consider in your portfolio. So today's stock of the day is 360 ONE WAM. So 360 ONE Wealth and Asset Management, if we talk about the company, then it is a leading non-bank wealth manager. Total assets under advisory, management and distribution stood at rupees 5,21,208 crore as at the end June 2024. If we look at the wealth business, then it is one of the largest vertical, amounting to more than 80% of the total assets. In the asset management business, 360 ONE's total asset under management stood at rupees 79,652 crore as of the June end. But you may ask, what do we like about the company? So, beneficiary of the structural growth in wealth business, the equity stock market is at an all-time high. The primary market is buzzing with a record number of new issues, and equity mutual funds are witnessing robust inflows. If we look at all these factors, then all these factors bode well for the wealth management business. India has seen a K-shaped economic recovery after the pandemic. 360 ONE has benefited from growth seen in its core segment, consisting of ultra-high net worth individuals with assets above rupees 25 crores. The company is entering into the mid-market segment of HNI clients, which has the wealth between rupees 5 to 25 crores. The strong growth in assets and healthy net inflows. 360 ONE's asset under advisory, management and distribution, including the custody assets, saw a growth of 36% year-on-year at the end of June 24. The growth in assets under management was led by healthy inflows. AUM was also boosted by positive mark-to-market as the capital markets have been buoyant. If we look at the wealth business, then it leads the wealth business management strategy is of focusing on increasing the share of annual recurring revenue. Annual recurring revenue contributed around 63% of overall revenue in Q1 FY25. This has reduced the earnings volatility and is likely to hold the company in a relatively good state even in a tumultuous market environment. If we look at the assets which are under wealth management, then the company has fees-based advisory platform, 360 ONE Plus. The 360 ONE Plus platform is leading the industry in advisory model with assets over 50,000 crore. So if we look at the assets management growth, it is led by the alternatives. The company is among the largest in the alternative space. Mutual funds from a very small proportion of its total AUM. If we look at the portfolio management services and alternative investment funds, then they are dominant. If we look at the focus of the company, then it is focusing on private equity, structured credit and real estate. If we look at the improvements in return ratios, then it has seen healthy net inflows and better retention rate in Q1 FY25. If we talk about the expenses, then expenses have increased because of the investment in new verticals. Despite the rise in total expenses, the cost to income ratio improved sharply to 38% in Q1 FY25, mainly due to robust growth in revenue. Management sees CI around 46 to 48% in the near term. The CI ratio is expected to taper down to 44 to 45% over the next couple of years as revenues start coming through on the strategic investment areas. Return on equity has risen to 33.5% in Q1 FY25. If we talk about the views and the valuations, then the market opportunity in wealth business is huge. Wealth management business is likely to grow in sync with India's economic growth and rising economic income wealth levels in the economy. 360 ONE's business is on a sustained growth path. In terms of valuation, the stock is trading at 31 times FY26 estimated earnings. Valuations are rich but justified, considering the strong business fundamentals and good visibility of earnings growth. If we talk about the long-term investors, then should buy the stock. If we talk about the risk factors, then 360 ONE's revenue is exposed to fluctuations in the capital markets and regulatory changes. With that, it's a wrap, but for more updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and Money Control's YouTube channel.